Hi, I'm Brian. I'm coming to you live from the ISE 2025 floor, where Airtame has just wrapped up a great week with demos all week on the floor. We hope that you've enjoyed the show just as much as us. Let's take a step inside and see the announcements that we've been showing off. So if you've been following Airtame for a while, you know that we are your single platform for shared screens, meaning that we can empower your screens to do screen sharing, digital signage, and video conferencing. But we've taken those efforts a step further with making it easier for any user to walk in and start a screen sharing session or a video conference now from your mobile device. What that means is that we have a brand new Android and iOS application that allows you to simply open up the app, type in the pairing code shown on the screen, once I type in my code, I now have the two options to either share my screen or join a call. When I select join call, I'm going to see a list of my meetings for the day, whether they're Teams, Zoom, WebEx, or Google Meet. The important thing is with any meeting, we're joining in the exact same way. I simply select the link, and now that link will be sent from my phone to the Airtame device in the room, and it will join right into the call for me. So now we have my colleague on the far end. We've started the call and we still have full control of the meeting. We can turn our camera on and off. We can turn our microphone on or off. We can also adjust the speaker volume and even share our screen into the call for remote participants. So it's just as easy as that. Pull out your mobile device and start a call in an Airtame enabled room. But that's not all. We're also moving along, and so far everything that I've been talking about has exclusively been on Airtame hardware for the last few years. However, we've taken our experience of digital signage, screen sharing, and video conferencing, and we've packaged that into a software that can be installed on your existing hardware. Why is that important? Because if you have interactive flat panels running on Android or any PCs running Windows, you can now put our software on your existing devices. That's pretty cool. We've taken that even a step further with our friends from SMART, and we have an official strategic partnership that allows us to simplify the meeting experience for anybody that will be joining into calls. So you can see this is just a virtual Android application. This is an APK. And with our integrations with SMART here, we have a nice widget that still allows me to connect from my phone or my laptop to the meeting, but I can also do a one-click to join effort. By selecting my Microsoft Teams call, I'm now going to join directly into the meeting without needing to bring any devices into the space. Now that is making it simple. My colleague's still here again. We still have full control of the meeting. We can now even share our interactive screen into the call, meaning that if I'm doing annotations or using any of the features native to my smart device, my smart board, then they will go automatically for users on the far end. When I leave the call, again, this goes right back to my panel. I can use it for the purposes which I need it to. Go back and then we're right there. But again, once you open up your Virtual Airtame application, it completely takes over your display. Finally, our latest announcement is going to be emergency alerts. So emergency alerts are super important. It's been a very, very requested feature set from our customer bases because we can now take over screens and show emergency critical messaging, taking over all Airtame enabled devices. For any more content or for any more announcements, please feel free to follow us at airtame.com. Thank you. We hope you have a great week.